Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho Desk for unified support to sales routing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Zoho Desk. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Zoho Desk homepage. On the homepage, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address. Type in your email address carefully. Once you've entered your email, click on the Next button. Now, you will need to enter your password. Type in your password in the designated field. If you want to save your login credentials for future use, check the box for Remember Me. Click on the Sign In button to access your If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, explore the dashboard for support and sales features. Identify the Unified Support to Sales Routing option, usually found in the settings. Configure any routing preferences to align with your business needs. Save your settings to complete the setup. You are now ready to use Zoho Desk for efficient support to sales routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.